Good morning. You must be the engineer from the city department.
Hello, I am Elena, and I am here for the structural inspection.
I am Robert. My boat is ready to take us under the main arches.
The current looks quite strong today. Will it be a problem?
This boat is built for these waters. We will be very stable.
I need to look at the concrete base of the third pillar.
That pillar has the most pressure from the north current.
I noticed some cracks in the old photographs from last year.
The river changes every season. The ice in winter is very hard.
I have my laser scanner and a high-definition camera here.
Please step onto the deck and hold the metal railing.
My equipment is waterproof, so the spray is not a concern.
I will start the engine now. Listen to the steady rhythm.
It sounds very well maintained, Robert.
This engine is 40 years old, but it never fails me.
Modern machines are often less reliable than these old ones.
I agree. Maintenance is more important than age.
How deep is the river exactly under the central span?
It is 12 meters deep in the middle of the channel.
That is enough for large cargo ships to pass through.
Yes, but they must follow my signals very carefully.
My report will decide if we need to close the bridge.
Closing the bridge will cause a lot of traffic in the city.
Safety is my first priority, even if it is inconvenient.
I understand your responsibility. I will get you as close as possible.
I can see the rust on the iron bolts from here.
The salt in the air is the main reason for that rust.
We should use a different coating for the next repair.
We are moving now. Please watch your balance on the deck.
I am ready. Let us start with the first support pillar.
Stop the boat here, Robert. This is a perfect angle.
I am using the side thrusters to keep us in this position.
The water level is higher than I expected for December.
We had heavy rains in the mountains last week.
I see a large piece of wood stuck near the base.
That is a tree branch from the forest upstream.
It can damage the protective layer of the concrete.
I can remove it later with a long iron hook.
Look at the joint between the stone and the metal.
It looks slightly uneven from this side.
I need to measure the gap with my digital sensor.
I will move the boat 2 meters to the right now.
The sensor shows a movement of 5 millimeters.
Is 5 millimeters a dangerous distance for a bridge?
For a bridge this size, it is within the normal limit.
The bridge was built when ships were much smaller.
The vibration from the trucks also affects the structure.
I feel the vibration even here on the water surface.
That is the energy transfer through the steel cables.
The river carries the sound a very long way.
I am taking a series of 3D photos of this section.
The light is good now. The sun is behind the clouds.
This prevents strong reflections on the wet surfaces.
Do you need to see the underwater part of the pillar?
No, the divers did that inspection 3 months ago.
They told me the foundation is still very solid.
My concern is only the upper section and the joints.
I will move us to the second arch now.
Please go slowly. I want to check the drainage pipes.
Understood. Maintaining a constant speed of 2 knots.
Let us go inside the cabin. I want to compare the maps.
This is my navigation screen. It shows the river floor.
My map shows a hidden cable near the 4th pillar.
That cable is for the city's old communication system.
It is not marked on the new structural plans.
Many things under this river are very old and forgotten.
I must mark it so the workers do not hit it.
The depth increases suddenly after the bridge.
That is an interesting geological feature of this river.
It creates a whirlpool that makes steering difficult.
I can see the turbulence on your radar screen.
My job is to know every rock and every current.
An engineer and a captain have very similar jobs.
We both work with physics and the elements.
I calculate the wind load on the bridge towers.
I calculate the drift of the boat in a storm.
We both rely on accurate data and experience.
Your tablet is very fast. My paper maps are slow.
Paper maps do not lose their battery, Robert.
That is why I always keep them in this drawer.
The humidity in the air is nearly 80%.
That is normal for a river during the winter season.
It affects the drying time of the bridge paint.
They should use the paint that dries in the cold.
That is exactly what I'm going to recommend.
We are approaching the deepest part of the channel.
I want to check the tension of the main cables.
I will take us to the center and stop the engine.
The silence will help me hear the metal sounds.
I will keep the boat steady with the manual rudder.
Why is the engine room so much warmer than the deck?
The diesel engine generates a lot of heat during work.
I am installing a vibration sensor on this metal wall.
Will this sensor record the movement of my boat?
It will help us understand how the boat affects the bridge.
I did not know that a small boat could affect a bridge.
Every wave and every engine beat creates a frequency.
This boat is like a giant tuning fork on the water.
That is a very accurate technical description, Robert.
I studied basic mechanics when I was a young sailor.
This pipe here has a very small leak of oil.
Thank you for noticing. I will tighten the valve.
A small leak can lead to a big drop in pressure.
In a boat, everything is connected in one system.
Bridges are the same. One loose bolt changes the load.
I have some spare parts in that wooden cabinet.
Your organization is very impressive for such a small space.
When you are at sea, you must find things in the dark.
My office is full of papers. I can never find anything.
You should try my system of metal labels.
I might do that when I return to the city.
The sensor is blinking green now. Is it working?
Yes, it is sending data to my tablet every second.
Technology makes everything very transparent now.
It makes my job easier, but the final decision is mine.
Experience is something a computer cannot have.
I agree. I trust your eyes more than my radar.
Let us go back up. The air is better on the deck.
We have one more pillar to inspect before sunset.
I will increase the speed to 4 knots now.
The light is changing. I need to use the infrared camera.
Does the camera see the heat inside the stones?
It sees the moisture inside the cracks and holes.
Moisture is the worst enemy of an old bridge.
When the water freezes, it expands and breaks the stone.
I see many dark spots on the camera screen.
Those spots indicate areas where the water is trapped.
We should drill some small holes to let the water out.
That is a good solution for the secondary supports.
I noticed that the bridge towers are a bit dark.
That is just pollution from the cars and factories.
The city needs to clean the bridge once every 10 years.
Cleaning is expensive, but it prevents long-term damage.
I am looking at the horizon. The wind is changing.
Will the wind be stronger in the next hour?
Yes, the clouds are moving very fast from the west.
I have enough data now. We can finish the inspection.
I will turn the boat around and head back to the pier.
It was a very productive day on the river.
I am glad I could help you with your mission.
Your knowledge of the river is very valuable for my report.
I will write my own logbook entry about this trip.
Do you record every passenger in your logbook?
Only the ones who are interested in the engine and the pillars.
Then I am happy to be in your history book.
The bridge looks beautiful when the city lights turn on.
It is a symbol of the city. We must keep it strong.
I will be here if you need another inspection in spring.
I will certainly call you, Captain Robert. The pier is only 500 meters away.
I am putting my equipment back into the protective cases.
I am reducing the engine speed for the final approach.
My tablet says we traveled 22 kilometers today.
That is a lot of circles around the same 5 pillars.
The data looks very consistent and clear.
What is your final opinion on the state of the bridge?
It is old, but it is still very safe for light traffic.
What about the heavy trucks and the city buses?
They should only use the central lanes for now.
I will share that information with the other captains.
That is a good idea. Everyone should be informed.
I'm throwing the rope to the man on the pier now.
The boat is stopping very smoothly. Good job, Robert.
Practice makes the mooring easy and safe.
I am stepping off the deck now. Watch my equipment.
I have the box. It is safe in my hands.
Thank you for your time and your professional help.
It was an interesting day for me too, Elena.
I will send you a copy of the final report by email.
I will read it with my morning coffee tomorrow.
Have a quiet night on your boat, Captain.
The river is always quiet at night. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm heading to the station now.
See you in the spring for the next check.
I will bring my new sensors then.
And I will have a new coat of paint on the deck.
Good luck with your work on the water.
And good luck with your city bridge.
We will keep it standing together.
Indeed. Until next time.